Now, on the visual, so when I want to layer, I will have to add minimum 2 things. Only then I can layer. So now this is my original video. This is my raw video, the first layer which you see. If I don't have a second video, I cannot do any layering. If I don't have a third video, I cannot do any layering. So for that, you need minimum of 2 things. So what I'm going to do is I'll choose one more video and then see what type of layering can we do. So let me go back and choose and add on. Maybe I'll pick maybe one of the photos and do the layering on that. So this is a pic which I have chosen, and I'll be doing a layering along with my video. Now, for example, I'm just explaining something, okay, at this point in time. And at this point, I want to add another kind of messaging. Okay. Now we'll go and see. So once you have 2 things which are available with you, you can go forward. And if you scroll a little more, you will see something called blending and masking. There are blending and mask. These are 2 beautiful things which are there. So you go for blending. When you go for blending, when you choose blend, I'll just show you once more. So 2 layer you need. So I've added one more layer on my raw video. This layer is an image layer. You can do the blending with an image also. You can do the same blending with a video as well. So on the image layer, when I'm going for the blending, I will have to choose my second layer, which is my where I'm going to do the blending. And then where you have the filter, trim, effect, split, and all that, scroll towards the left, scroll towards the right, and then you will see something called blending. Now you click on the blend here. When you click on the blend, there are different type of blending that can happen. So here, for example, this is the normal blend. Now so if you do this blending, the effect, the image which I had, the image has got mixed with the background. Okay. Now similarly, if I choose here and I go to the next one, multiply. So both of them, so you can see my video background and the image which I chose, both of them have got multiplied. If you choose overlay, there is something called overlay here. So all of this can come. So overlay means the background of the image will not stay any more consistent, but whatever assets you had inside the image, that will now be reflecting here. Similarly, you can go and try a couple of other images that you see here. So we'll go to the blending again, and you just have to go and try this out. Okay, so hard light means it will give you a little bit of light, but then if you really see, you can also see me behind the particular image. So it's not a solid image, it has become transparent. So all these features you can create through masking, and masking is a very beautiful technique of doing multiple layering. Okay, so that's how you do the masking. Now for example, I'll do a masking on this particular photo. So let me create another one. I'll just create a video and I'll go and add a new photo. This is a new one which I'm doing. Okay, so for example, I have this Ghibli art which I have, and I want to do a masking with another photo, and the photo could be like this one. So I've taken a horse and the boy and the horse. These 2 photos I have. Now I'll go to the blending and I'll see here darken. If I do the darken, it will come like this. If I do the multiply, and all of this is coming here. Now I do the overlay. Okay, I'll take the lift is, this image is not coming out very well because the lift is a very solid background. If you do it on a natural background, it will come out all the more well. Now we'll go here to the masking. And with masking, it is primarily meant to, the idea of the masking is all about one picture over the other picture. So that is the primary idea. You can take maybe relevant pictures which you have and try a little bit of masking on them to come up with some nice backgrounds. Okay, like for example, let me try this one. So this is another masking. Now we'll go to mask here on the blend, and if I want to do a color burn, the color burning, I can create this color burning on the whole image. and it depends on me. It depends on how I want to, what is the story that I want to build from this color burning. So I see, you can see here two different boys. There is a boy at the back as well, and there is a boy which has got color burn. The same person, the same shirt. Now, all of this is being done by creating stories. How you want to create a story? Maybe the boy is thinking through that I have become big. The boy is thinking through that I am in a jungle. So something like, so you'll have to beat, and it has to support with your text. Are you guys understanding and getting some idea about how masking is being done? So just go ahead and tell me if you have started getting some idea how blending and how blending you can do, and you can be super creative in blending. Blending has got multiple features. If you have started getting the awareness about the blending, just write down B in the chat box. Some idea of blending, have you started getting it? And more you will get while you are doing it. Okay, as and when you go and do it, more ideas you will get from the doing part of it. Okay, so this is on a blending, and if I go for the lighten, you can have the lighten. So I'll just show you all the effects of blending on these two masking. This will be the normal one. This is the darken one. So I have got a dark boy at the back. Then this is a multiply. This is a color burn. Lighten. So lighten is will give another kind of an effect. Oh, okay, fine. Sorry, my screen is not shared. Sorry. Okay, let me just share my screen. Okay, I'll start from the very beginning of the mask. So we start with the normal one. This is the normal one. So if I go for the normal, you can't see the first photo because it is not blended. So two things are not coming together. Only one thing is coming at the beginning. Now, if you want to go here, and we will go for the blend effect. Okay, we will go for the blend effect. 1 second, hold on. And I'll go to the blending. And here I go to darken. Darken means there is a silhouette structure which is getting created at the back. Just 1 second, give me 1 second. Okay. So now this is a darken one. This is the multiply. Color burn. Then this is a lighten one. It is about two boys in the same picture. And you can build different stories from here itself. Then this is about another screen. This is color dodging. This is overlay. Split, soft light, hard light. Okay, and this can be a very beautiful story of imagination, that you are imagining something and something is happening in your life. So all of this goes into different scene creation. Okay, this is a saturation and this is colorful one. This is the luminosity. And for all this masking that you are doing, maybe the hard light, you can also create the opacity. The opacity control can be done. If you go for the zero opacity, the second picture will not be visible. If you go for as and when you increase the opacity, the second picture will be more brighter and the first picture will fade away. Guys, are you getting some idea about how to really take care of the masking? Yeah, could you see the screen now? If yes, just write down yes in the chat box. Or there was no screen? Yes. Okay. Guys, can you just go ahead and give me a yes if you saw the different aspects of the masking? Okay. Okay, great. To get the blending also, so many of you may not get the blending option because of one reason. You normally don't get the blending option. To get the blending option, you will have to select the second picture. First, select the second picture, only then the blending option will appear. Otherwise, it will not appear. Okay. Okay, great. So this is how you do the blending. Now we will move on to another one. And another one is, I'll just show you the other one here. I'll share my screen in a minute. Okay. Now we have another very beautiful feature, and that is called masking. So that is called mask. So let me just share my screen here to help you understand the mask side of it. Okay, great. So with this image, masking works very good on the videos, but I don't have a second video with me right now, but I'll tell you how it is to be done. What is the process of it is to be done? So now, for example, you have another photo I'm putting up. So these two photos, now they can be masked. So how do I have these two photos together? Masking is you have both of them together, but in a different format. Now, there are many ways I can have the masking. I can have the body of this one person so this is a mask. This is a mask effect. Okay. Like somebody is standing behind the chair, but then it's a body of one picture and the legs of the second picture. This is coming from the horizontal masking. I can also go for mirroring. Okay, so there is a mirror effect that can be created, and you see here that you are getting a mirror effect. That so this is these type of editing are being done to create hallucination effect, to create illusion effect, and to create a story behind it. So when you want to create something like this, you use not the blending, you use something called mask here. Okay. Now, for example, I want to go for another type of, this is a radial mask. Radial mask means suppose this guy is thinking something and he is thinking about maybe how will I look like when I grow up. Okay. Or how will I enjoy my life. So you are creating a radiant mask here. Now, similarly, you can create a rectangular mask, and how big or small you want to keep it depends on you. You can easily clear off a lot of mask. You can keep it as solid as possible. You can fade off as solid as possible. So it completely depends on how you want to do this. Now, what is more important for you to understand is the points of masking. So what are the points of masking? On the rectangle field here, you can see some arrow dots here. There is a top arrow there is an arrow here on the top. There is also an arrow on the vertical column and the horizontal column. Now, if I have to increase the masking, I have to only choose the vertical and see how much do I really want to mask. So that's how you do the vertical masking. Okay. So you can also mask a lot. You can mask less depending on what is the story that you're building through your editing. Okay, we go to the masking, the next one, which is about the heart shape. So here you can keep it. You want to keep somebody in the heart. You can just go forward and keep this person in the heart. And guys, how many of you are really loving this masking? Are you really loving to see how masking is really playing the whole game? You are thinking and you want to show that I have somebody in my heart. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful feature. And each and every one of you can keep this. You can create maybe your community, and you create a love and keep the community picture inside your heart to just show that you love your community. All of these are creative aspects of doing it. Let's keep on doing. Let's keep on trying and doing this. Okay, let me share my screen again. And now here we go with the next screen. And here it is all about, okay, now you have a star option here. You also have a triangle option. You have, so these are different kinds of scenes that you have, but masking as a concept, now you have understood what is masking and how masking can be done. So blending and masking, these two features are very, very important features in advanced way of doing it. You also have many other features like chroma feature and the main track feature, but we don't want to touch all of these features right now. Right now, with whatever you already know how to do the layering with multiple images or multiple videos. Got it, all of you? Just write down blend, mask in the chat box. The blending and mask. These two, please try out. These two are very beautiful features for helping you create extremely good editing videos.